If you're a creator and you're only monetizing by generating content for brands, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. A key distinction between a creator and an influencer is that creators primarily focus on making beautiful images and videos, while influencers focus on using their audiences to drive traffic or sales for brand partners. An easy upsell as a creator could be leveraging your audience after you've provided your brand client content. Simply let them know, for a small fee, you'd be willing to share said content on your own social media page. Additionally, you could also monetize on your own, without relying on any brands. For example, if you're a photographer, you could become an affiliate marketer for camera products that you find on a network like CJ or ClickBank, allowing you to passively make money by simply including links in your bio or captions. For more tips and tricks, head over to our Creator School on YouTube.